Hello and welcome. Today we're talking about something vital for anyone working remotely: how to fix your work from home posture today using simple steps. If you spend hours at a desk staring at a screen, you know the feeling. The tension creeps in, the stiffness builds. But why does this happen, and what can you really do about it, starting right now? Working from home might offer flexibility, but it often comes with unique physical challenges. Prolonged sitting isn't passive, it takes a toll. It can lead to chronic tension, debilitating back pain, and even impact your ability to focus during the day. Research shows that continuous slumping can compress your spine and strain your muscles, turning what seems like a small, ignorable ache into a major hurdle over time. Dr. Joan Vernikos's research on ergonomics emphasizes that deviating from ideal posture forces your muscles to work harder, draining energy better used for thinking and creativity. Think about your muscles as a team. When you slouch, some overwork while others weaken, creating an imbalance that increases your risk of discomfort. It's not just physical. Poor posture can trigger your body's stress response, making it harder to relax and be productive. So, how can you start addressing this today? It begins with awareness and taking action on subtle cues. Many of us miss these signs from our bodies until discomfort or even injury sets in. You might have a recurring ache in your back or neck, notice changes in your breathing, or feel tension in specific areas. These are your body's report card, providing valuable feedback. It's not about achieving perfect posture instantly, but about becoming aware and making informed tweaks. The good news is you can take simple steps today to start counteracting the effects of prolonged sitting. It might involve making a quick adjustment to your workspace environment, checking your monitor height, ensuring your chair supports your lower back, or adjusting lighting. Even something as simple as standing up, stretching, and rolling your shoulders can provide immediate relief and reset your posture. Setting reminders to move every 45 minutes can be a small but powerful change. These actions aren't just quick fixes. They are the first steps in retraining your body and mind. However, achieving lasting change and truly fixing your posture while working requires more than just a few isolated tips. It needs a structured approach. A framework that helps you consistently assess your posture, analyze your routine, and integrate targeted movements and habits. You need to learn which movements specifically target tension from desk work, and how to build a routine that fits seamlessly into your busy workday. It's about a deeper understanding of your body's signals and having a step-by-step plan to address not just the symptoms, but the root causes of poor posture related to remote work. If you're tired of letting poor posture hold you back and you want to discover the comprehensive framework for building sustainable posture improvement and stress relief into your workday, the solution goes beyond these initial steps. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in a more detailed breakdown of posture assessment and the first steps to take, you can find a longer video linked in the description below. And to truly understand how to integrate a complete system for fixing your posture and managing stress while working remotely, learn more about the course by clicking the link also in the description. To ensure you don't miss out on future modules and expert hacks, please do like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Your engagement is vital for us to keep delivering this valuable content to remote workers like you.